Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Wealth channel. Today market is closed for 14th August. Hope you had seen my prediction on 14th August and you followed my entry and exit points. And today market was more flat for Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you would not have followed my entry and exit points, you would have lost your money due to price decay and time decay if you are an option buyer. I got some feedback. Some had lost money because of price decay. The reason was because uh, people did not follow my entry and exit points. Okay, so my entry and exit points is coming from several factors. So please enter only when conditions satisfied. If you see here, this is what the forecast I gave for today. I told for Nifty, if the price cross above and close above 24,705, then the buy target is 24,830. So I asked to enter the trade only about 24,705, but the price did not cross 24,700. So there is no entry for buy side for today. If you have entered buy side with some impulsiveness, then you would have lost. If you are option buyer, you would have lost your price for today. I clearly told resistance is at 24,700. Only after it crossed 24,700, bullish trend will be started to set. I wrote it very clearly. Okay, so follow my entry points. Entry points are very, very important. Okay, and I have told for sell, if the price cross down to close to 24,540, then sell target is for 24,475. Okay, so ultimately we do not get entry points for Nifty for today. It is same for Bank Nifty as well. Okay, Bank Nifty, there were some ranges which we were able to achieve. So I gave for Bank Nifty, if the price cross and closes above 55,274, then the buy target is 55,334. So this is achieved. And I told above 54,407, the target 2 is 54,460. If you see the reversal point, it was 54,470 and it closed below 54,460. So this was the second target. Both the buy targets are achieved. Once after both the buy targets are achieved, you should have exited the trade. If you would have done trading inside this range, you would have caught in price decay, time decay, and you would have lost the money. For the sell side, I clearly said there are multiple support between this range 55,170 to 55,20. So I said reversal can happen at multiple points. So I did not give any sell entry on this range. I told if the price crosses and close below 54,900, then only I asked to enter to sell trade, because there are a lot of reversal I expected here. Exactly the reversal happened same like that. Follow my entry and exit. I will write it in paper and give you. You will not get into loss in a week time frame. In a weekly trade or in a 2 weeks of trade. No, in a weekly trade. Take it as weekly trade. You will not get into loss. There could be some days extreme situation. Some our prediction may be deviated, but 100%. If I say the entry you enter based on my entry, the trend will go exactly on that side. Okay, what can be approximate is, if I say target has 55,334, it can reverse from 55,330. Some 5 or 10 points, 5 points minimum it can reverse. If I say 55,460, sometimes it can reverse from 55,459 or 58. So you don't have to be very accurate on exit. Whenever you have some profit, you can exit. You don't have to exactly follow this number always. Okay, but entry points are very accurate. If you enter, entry point is the most important thing. If you are an option buyer, if you don't enter when the trend starts, okay, only when the trend starts you need to do an entry. If you are not doing an entry during the trend, you are doing an entry in the flat zone, due to the time decay and price decay, you will definitely lose your premium, definitely lose your money. Whether it is a downward direction or upward direction, the key point for option buyers is you need to enter once the trend break out. This is mandatory, and you need to quit your trade in 5 to 15 minutes of time. You cannot stay into the trade using being an option buyer. No. If you are aiming for 2 to 3 hours into the trade, it's a risk. You may earn profit in one day, another day you will lose profit. Try to accumulate 2000 to 3000 rupees every day. Try to accumulate only that much. It's a very, very big money. 3000 rupees profit for 30,000 capital is 10%. For 3 lakh, for 3 lakh capital, how much? 1030. It is 1 to 2%. 2 to 3 trades is enough. So aim only for 2000, 3000 profit, aim only for 20, 30 points, 50 points is more than enough. You can easily accumulate large capital. So key for option buyer is enter only on breakouts. My entry points are based on breakouts only. Once it crosses the resistance or support, then only I'm giving the entry point. So follow my entry point, guys. Okay, I just want to brief on this to spend time because it's a long weekend, and one of the person reached me that he lost the money because due to flat market. If you would have followed my entry points, definitely you would not have lost. Okay. Okay, now let's come to the forecast for Monday for Nifty. Let me take the forecast points which I have noted, and I will show you why I have noted all these points. Okay. Okay. First thing is to notice Nifty has closed at 24,631. Okay, it was a flat range for sure. Okay, today is the day for option sellers, not for option buyers. Okay, we expected Nifty to cross above 24,700 for above targets. It did not close. Okay, it did not cross this point. So for buy target, I still keep my same prediction what I did for today. For Monday is the same prediction. For buy target, if the price close above 24,700, then you do for buy. You need to wait for the price to close about 24,700. Little bit I fine tuned. You can also become bullish in mindset about 24,675. Okay, so you see here resistance line. Okay, above this, if the in 30 minutes candle, if it closes above 24,657, you can be ready in buy side. You can enter into buy side, but you need to be cautious. It will spend some time. Price will fly high only if it cross 24,700, because you can see there is a large liquidity seller zone is there. Okay, and you also have a buyer zone here. Okay, so this is for buy entry point and exit. It's very simple. Overall, if you see how is the trend is clearly weaker for Nifty. If you see here, it was a higher high, and it is a lower high, and it is flat, and there is a large resistance. Okay, so trend is weaker. Okay, for me Nifty is still weaker, and I have not gained enough strength. So there is definitely a chance it will come and touch 24,475. Okay, since it is a weekend, I will show a little more details. Okay, we will backtrack how things are. Okay, let's quickly see all these things. If you see the daily chart in Nifty, you see the trend line I have drawn. Okay, so this trend, the distance it has reached upside, still there is lower side it has to go. Still, the reversal is not complete. Okay, so Nifty has come to 24,335, but this reversal is not enough. Still, it is in the downward direction for daily time frame. Okay, let's go for 4 hours. In 4 hours, you see it's a higher high, lower high, lower high, it is in downward trend. Okay, and still reversal is not complete. Okay, so if it crosses 700, it can come here. If you see, if I draw a trend line here, okay, consider that it crosses 700. Okay, so what will happen? It will come here. It can come here and it can start falling down. Still it is in the trend of downward direction, right? You see, high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Okay, so even price crosses 24,700, it reaches our target of 24,830, it can still be in downtrend. So in 4 hours chart, so Nifty is not completely bullish. Okay, so it is just at the retracement. There is a chance it is going to fall down. Okay, there is no doubt if it does not cross 24,700. So today it did not cross. Okay, and it can start falling down from here as well. It is very simple. Yes, so it can start fall. It does not cross 700 and it will start falling from here also. So do not consider Nifty has turned bullish. No, only if Nifty crosses this point 24,950, then there is a reversal of trend. But again, it will take 1 or 2 trading sessions to confirm the bullish trend. So until it crosses 24,950, so we cannot say Nifty has turned to bullish. So at any time, Nifty can start falling down. But the current level for entry for buy is about 24,700. There is a target 24,832, and you need to exit the target. The price can still go and reach to this resistance zone at 24,920, but it is okay. You exit your target. Probably you wait, and it is going to come down. Okay. So I'll quickly show you the other time frames. You see the 3 hours time frame, there is a resistance 24,657. That is why I have given the range to entry 24,675. So in 3 hours time frame, it has to break this range 24,657 to go up. Okay. Okay, there is a slighter support, and the bottom support is 24,436. Okay, 24,436. I have given a target 24. See, in sell set target 24,475 extended to 24,436. This is the bigger support. So if Nifty will come down, and if it comes down, it will touch here and it will reverse back. So you need to exit all your targets maximum at 24,436. Okay, I given target as 475. It is a safe exit. If you want to take a little risk, and you can wait till 24,435 and you can exit your sell target, and it will touch here, it will go off. Okay, so this target is coming from these order blocks. Okay, I just want to show to you. 30 minutes time frame, there is a liquidity here. You see exactly it is 422. So this is the range 24,475 to 24,435 is the point of definitely it is going to touch down. Okay, so it will try to come to take this liquidity for 24,475. This is where I gave your first target exit. Sometimes if it touches, since you are an option buyer, it will start reversing for some time. You will lose your money. That is why I give 24,475 as a target. When I in bracket, if I put extended, it's a risk to be and take this point. Okay, it is your discretion. Okay, it will if it touches 24,475, it will reverse back, it will spend some time, and then it will come down. So there will be a price decay and these things which you have to face. Okay, so this is the sure shot target, but this is an extended target. Okay, I will quickly show you 15 minutes. 15 minutes also, you see you have the lot of support zone. So you see 24,475 here also there is a support. Okay, see you have to, it has to break 24,552. Okay, so if you see here, I have put the condition enter below only 24,553. Why I put this condition? Current price is 24,631, but I did not ask you to enter into sell immediately. I ask you to enter into sell only if it breaks 24,553. The reason is because 24,553 in 15 minutes time frame till 24,552 there is a support. Even I can make it little more safer. 24 550. Wait till the price breaks this support zone. This support zone should get disappeared. Wait till this 21st 552 price stay below in 50 minutes candle. If the price closes below 24 550, then you enter into sell target. Clearly there is around 475 25 points, 75 points you have a target of 24 475. Once it breaks here, clearly you can capture 75 points very well in sell side. 75 points is more than enough for an option buyer. So be patient. Don't immediately enter into any sell side or buy side. Enter buy side only about 24,700. Enter sell side only about 24,550. Rest of the time, please keep watching the market. If these points are not crossed, do not trade in the day. Skip the day. Okay, this is the first character of option buyer to make profit. Don't be impulsive to enter into trade. You can skip a trade. Okay, no loss is the profit of the day. So remember, again I'm telling, because few people reached me that they made loss because of due to flat in the market. That is why I'm spending time in this video to repeat this. I cannot do in weekdays. Okay, so enter about 24,700, enter below 24,550. This is for Nifty, guys. Okay, let's go for Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty, already we see these two of the targets we reached today. So let's see the forecast for Monday. Okay. Okay, Monday, first thing to note is the pivot. The pivot is 55,310. Okay, if the price is moving around above 54,310, so it is going little bits of strength. If when it crosses below 54,310, you can consider it as a little bit of bearish in psychological perspective. That is how the pivot works. Pivot is for the day, whole day. When the price moves, keep moving above 55,310, then Nifty is looking positive. Bank Nifty is looking positive. If it is trading below 55,310, Bank Nifty is looking little negative in sentiment. Okay, you can take like that. Okay. So this is the first point you need to know. You need to understand using the pivot whether Bank Nifty is trading upside or Bank Nifty is trading downside. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Okay, Bank Nifty is currently at 55,240 support. Okay, you see here, this is a very strong support. You see such a big green zone. So 55,240 is the strong support. So if you are in sell side, you need to exit exit at 55,245. You see here the first target I gave below 55,290. I gave 55,245 to exit. It's a very short 45 points I given, but this is a sure short point. It is a sure short target. If the price closes below 55,290, you enter into a lot size of 35, 70, or 225, whatever it is. It will capture this 45 points. And once it touches 55 to 45, immediately you exit. Immediately price will start reversing. So you can be in put side below 55 to 90 and you can capture this 45 points. So I want to show you here. So it's a very big order block. Okay, the second entry is I gave below 55 150 because there is a strong support till here. So I want the price to cross below 55 150 in 15 minutes time frame to enter into the next target of 55,025. 55,025 is almost here. Okay, so once you exit 55 to 45, do not enter into trade. Keep quiet, watch the screen, or go and do some other work. Okay, once the price closes below 55 150, then only you enter into again sell target. Okay, but most probably you see there is a very strong support. Okay, but overall, how is Bank Nifty? You can see, I'll show you the trend lines. Okay, if you see 15 minutes, it is in the still at the lower high only. Okay, okay, let's quickly see the upside also. Upside, if the price cross up and sustains above 55 475, you need to do a buy entry only above 55,475. Currently the price is 55,341. You need to wait some more 125 or 135 points to make an entry. Let's see where this 55,475 is coming up. You see here, there is a huge seller zone. So the seller zones will push the price down. If you are in buy side, it will push the price down. You lose. See, 50 still here. Still till see till here, till here, till here, till here, till here. I'm giving this zone. You need to exit this whole red zone to enter into buy. To be safe, if you want to take a risk, if you want to lose money as an option buyer, you can enter and you can lose your money. But if you want to have a safe trade, you want to end your day with profit, wait till the price crosses 55,475, then you enter into buy target. And buy target, you see it is 55,600. I have given 125 points for buy target if it crosses 55,475. If it should not even cross, it should sustain above. Candle should close, a strong reversal should come. You have 125 points. What more you want as an option buyer? Okay. See, I want to cross this resistance at 30 minutes also. That is why it is 462 is resistance. See, clearly it is target 55,516. You can have target as 55,516. This is safe target. Target 1, 55,516. I'll keep this as second target. People who have a lot of money and who can stay for long time in trend, then you can choose for 55,600. 55,600 is definitely possible because it's a big liquidity. You see, it will come till here. This is the resistance. So 55,600 is possible, but 55,649 is also possible. But 55,516 is a safe target. Why this safe target I am giving? If people with less capital, you need to exit the trade very quickly. This is important. See, there is a resistance, there is a pushback. Resistance at 455, 473. That is why I given you need to enter into buy above 55, 475. See, there are multiple places I check that, then only I give the entry point. Okay, so follow my entry and exit point very carefully. You will definitely be in profit. Don't worry about that. See, 55,652 is the maximum. 55,652 is the maximum. You see, I have given you the exit at 65, 55, 499. Little bit early exit I have given. 3-4 points I have given below. You see, there is a big reversal at 55,652. That is why I given the exit as 55,649. Okay, guys. So you see, there is a very big support. See, 55,513. It's in a 2-hour time frame. So what to remember is, there is a strong support at 55,242 and there is a strong resistance till 55,471. Okay, so follow my prediction, guys. Follow my entry points. Strictly follow my entry points. Enter, if you are an option buyer, enter only above or below the entry points whatever I mentioned. Before that, you do not enter. You will caught up in flat range. You lose your money. Okay, respect the entry points, guys. All the best for Monday trade. I will see you on Monday. This is the forecast for August 18th for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.